ചേട്ടാ 3 tickets. So we have reached. Okay, we can't do like this only. Actually we can go like that. Look at it. No, that's not a good idea. That's not a good idea, I guess. Yeah. This was the end. This is supposed to be the end. Now this is end. Good morning, YouTube. So these are my friends. They came from Bangalore to see all around my place. So yeah, I'm showing my place. It's Nilambur. My place in Nilambur. It's kind of like remote village here. So we have so many good places in our bucket list. First we are going to Adiyanpara Waterfalls. It's a very famous waterfalls in Malappuram, Nilambur. So we are going there. Later we have planned to go into some forest area and explore forest ride and something. Yeah, later all the things now you guys see. Okay, let's start. Come bro, let's go. There Bharat is from Chikmagaluru and the actor is from Tirchi. We were classmates in Bangalore. Right. It's actually famous for like so many people have like died here in this waterfalls. What happened, like you guys see this mountain. After this mountain it's like Tamil Nadu Wayanad border. So if there if rain is over there, over those mountain, the water level will increase drastically. We will never know the water level increase. So we'll be like enjoying in this water streams and waterfalls. Suddenly the waterfalls take us. So that's how people are dying. And if you are like very expert in swimming also, you cannot survive because there are like big rocks over there. You will hit into that and you will lose the conscious and of course you bleed, you die. So we don't have any plan to jump into the waterfalls. We have reached the place. We will park the bike over here. Wait, I'll pay.
Google Pay.
He doesn't have Google Pay. Peace better. ചേട്ടാ 3 tickets. Okay. Thank you. Hey, you have ATM now. I'll send some money. We'll take it. Okay. ഇതിലല്ലേ? ഓ ഇതിലാണ്. Before, we used to come like this way.
What did I understood when you said that side? It's like I've been here before only.
No, it's been a very long time I have been here.
Okay, this is not some park,
No.
Like proper couple park.
It looks like something like that. Couple also will come here to do that jugaad.
That is not jugaad. That's the secret.
So we have reached to the Adiyanpara Waterfalls. I've been here in my school days actually. So we will sit there and we'll slide into that stream. like that it was. Now though it's so dangerous. So this is the place. That's the main viewpoint. We'll go there also. Then we'll come back. Let's go.
Let us know when you're talking to us, okay?
See, first point. ഈ വെള്ളച്ചാട്ടത്തിലും പുഴയിലും ഇറങ്ങുന്നത് കർശനമായി നിരോധിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നു. ഇറ്റ്സ് സ്ട്രിക്ട്ലി റെസ്ട്രിക്റ്റഡ് ടു jump into this waterfall. The second thing, ഈ വെള്ളച്ചാട്ടത്തിൽ നാളിതുവരെ 22 പേർ മരണപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. It's not 22. After that also people dead.
Till now, 22 people dead, already dead.
Super. So save yourself. Next one should not be you. That's what they want to say.
No, it shouldn't be like next to you only. That's how you should go, bro.
Yeah, next Akhtar. So Akhtar is going to jump in from here and going to be the next victim for us.
Not now, we'll jump in.
If you jump now, my video will go hit 1 million. That's for sure. Can you do that for me?
You will end up being a murderer. You just gave me a threat to jump and then you upload the video.
Actually, the workers are like enjoying more than tourists, no? See, those people are also like sitting and chilling.
Nice place. From that part also they are sitting around.
Yeah. See, you are saying like you will be like survived over there.
Yeah,
Ganda.
water has depth to it. You can just slide with the water.
No, bro, you will die. Oh, okay, guys. Please do comment. You guys die or not die? Actually, saying we don't die.
This task is told by Sadik. So if anything happens to me, Sadik is responsible for it. So you can catch Sadik.
Yeah. I will be responsible, but Akhtar is going to jump.
And then the clip will get removed after that. So whatever it happens, Sadik is the reason.
Yeah. See, Akhtar. If you have a girlfriend, no, it's good, no? Sit. One slide, nice stream over there. Hey, what, Myra? This is why you don't have one, okay? We have to climb a little bit like this. Attin kuttigal. Hey bro, we have. Okay, we can't do like this only. Actually, we can go like that. You are doing it better.
Because we are good.
Okay. See, this guy said he's going to survive this fall. Anda, he'll be like that only. Look at it. So guys, we are like going on, but still people are like arguing we can survive or not. I believe we cannot. I can't, that for sure. Go to the next destination. So bye bye. It's a bit steep from here, so we have to go slowly only. See the view. When we are like climbing up now, we cannot see all this. Our bikes inside the forest. There is no proper road. It's actually fun. So you guys already have seen this place. My GoPro and Sony mic review and everything is done in this forest only. So this is a favorite place for me. I'll send them friend. Yeah, this is, I told no, we'll go inside the forest. This is,
How far is it?
it's somewhere 3 kilometer, 3 to 4 kilometer. Huh?
We'll take a photo, come back. Stay there.
Okay.
That bike there.
So let's start again. No. That way is not good. So much of tree falls should be here. Come, anyway you go. I can join them from here. There, no, it's full of mud. I think they'll stop there. I told, right? Oh, someone is coming. Come. I know other way. Huh? ചേട്ടാ വണ്ടി പോവോ? One tree has fallen, so we have to take U-turn. So this is a problem in rainy season, no? In Ooty also I had the same issues. We have to take U-turn. We'll take. They have some other plants. What they said? We can go like this only, right?
They're cutting it.
Okay. Okay. സോ ഇതിനിപ്പോൾ കട്ട് ചെയ്ത് കളയാൻ ഫോറസ്റ്റിന് ആൾക്കാർ വരണ്ടല്ലേ? So they are making route. So we'll wait for some time. ഞാനിവിടെ ഉള്ള തന്നെയാണ്. ഇത് ഇവർ ഒരാൾ വന്നിട്ട് തിരുച്ചി, ഇവൻ വന്നിട്ട് ചിക്കുമംഗളൂർ. നമ്മളെ വണ്ടി കയറും. I'll take the first ride. Maybe Akhtar want to. Akhtar, you take it. You take first. I think. Wait. Let's see how we can go. So we came in one shot. That's good. That's because they made the way. Sit it up, guys. Thank you. Let's go. little bit muddy over there. It's fine now. I think they are stuck. I should go back. Okay, I think they came. Yeah, they're fine. Okay, if you go like this, no, that's it. And if you guys need to explore more, we can roam around. Okay, that's it.
I think we'll take one photo. We'll put the bike different. We'll go a little ahead and grab the bike and take a photo and we'll leave.
Yeah, okay, then come. Maybe that's okay. They are not familiar with all the stops. Let them go. Then only it's going to be fun. Let's just go. Okay. I go second. No, bro, it's go. It will go. Actually, there are like many places, but we have to consider their comfort also. We can go like this, wherever we want to go, no, like that we can go. We will find more adventurous thing, but that's okay. We'll wait for them. From here, take right. Do you want me to go first? That's like so much muddy, so we are not getting enough traction, so that's it. Much slowly, yeah, like that only. Slowly you come. No, that's not a good idea. I guess. Okay, he came. Come like this way only. Same. Yeah. So we have more way to go. Like this only. Jig, jig, jig. This is my powerful voice. Yo. Go fill the petrol. First we will take some pictures and then we will fill the petrol. Maybe we can come back and we will roam around like this, like this. Okay. Yeah, that's it. After that we'll go that trekking, Kurshumala. So this is the plan. Let's go then. Barte, aktare, potalo. It's this is fun. See this waste, stupid peoples. I don't know why people are doing this. Yeah, left side. Do you want to go first? Yeah, I'll go. You follow me. Yeah. Oh, this is a bit tough. Huh?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I think I'm stuck. Stuck.
Nice.
I think we're supposed to go like this. Oh yeah. Huh? Go do landscape also.
Who got his bike stuck in mud?
Do it in landscape. This was the end. This is supposed to be the end. Now this is end.
Mud ate the tire.
Oh my god.
Bharata, help ಬೇಕು Bharata. What I have to do? Lift it up. You are saying to lift Himalayan.
Impossible, bro.
It's not even shaking.
So you guys push from the side, okay? Otherwise you guys. Okay, I'll push. That's okay. I'll get mud.
You push it, okay? Anyways, we are in clothes which we can wash it aram se.
You push it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Anyways, we'll push it from sideways only. Center, anyways, little bit further. Why don't we try taking it behind? True. Adhika?
Huh?
Yeah, whenever we are in trouble, so they'll be like, hey. We'll take this out first. Okay. We'll take the bike. Aram se my bike is like standing, no? Huh? How aram se my bike is standing? Aram se will stand like this only forever after that.
Who's laughing now? I got my hat.
Oh, we'll have to pull it back. 3, 2, 1 will do. 3, 2. God, it's not even shaking. Let's try for the last time. Then we'll go.
How will you try?
These are all there. Still we can't do. First in beginning we could have tried.
This is not going to work. We need to lift it.
Okay.
This is stuck only. We need more power.
One eternity later.
I need one bike.
Take mine and go.
We'll go like that. Push from back. Oh, it's not going.
Turn the.
No, we'll take bike back only. It's not going. And I'm getting backache also.
ഉക്കാന്ന് വണ്ടിയുടെ
Huh? Ah, yeah. So we're supposed to take help from those people. Oh, this bike is completely different from my bike. I mean the riding posture. That uncle helped us to get our bike back. See the condition. Huh? Ah, seriously, okay. My people are washing their hands.
because of Sadiq he ended up like that.
Yeah, I agree. Totally agree.
Guys, look, it's fucking green too. You can see that shit?
Colorful, no?
Colorful. Now you can see it. It's not even green.
No, I hate LGBTQ.
Fuck, it's not even LGBTQ. LGBTQ is 7 colors, rainbow.
Oh my god, see my bike. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Bro. Akhtar, this way out. Letting enjoy the jam. Go like this only. Right, left. Come there, left. To petrol pump, no, left. Come. So now we need to fill the petrol. Let them also come. My back is aching, dude. But that's okay, that's fine. We'll do something. What he's doing? This way you come. So we have reached the main road.
It's like purpley, it's there. They are like clay kind of thing.
Black mud.
Going there,
Back tire will go like that.
if another two guys will also come, they can't shoot it. It's like very dangerous. This and all are fine.
Come. Oh my god. We had a very good day. Now we will fill the petrol, then we will do the next. So guys, we filled petrol and also little bit cleaning is done. All these people, no, they're like looking at us like creatures. So we have to find some food. Akhtar want biryani, I don't know from where we'll get good biryani out here. Still we'll check. We thought to roam around a little bit inside this forest, but we got fucked up. No, we don't have time. It's already 1 o'clock. So we'll go have food later. We are going to Kakadampoil. We have cancelled the plan to go canopy plot because there was a bridge, suspended bridge over there. Now though it's not there. It was collapsed during the Kerala flood, so nothing is there. So we are going to this place, Kakadampoil, which is a border of Calicut and Malappuram. So we'll explore that also. To go all the way up. Let's start now. Go up. Don't shake the tree.